So he's trying to now let us know, as great as those angels are, as great as their ministry is, this one, Jesus Christ, is much better than the angels, as he had by inheritance obtained a more excellent name than they. Now watch. For unto, he's now trying to make you understand what he just said, that Jesus is much better than them, and also he has far greater name than these angels. If they are to compare someone we know is very, very great with somebody else, it lets you know that the person they are comparing him with are not even debased. Okay, it's like saying, I don't know who you think is the stronger of the two, the Russian president and the American president. Whoever you think is the stronger, take the stronger one. In trying to show us how strong that one is, you don't bring a weak president now. You bring another strong person, and you let us know that this one we are saying is stronger is much stronger than this one. Then if we have known this one that we say is strong, and we're not being told that this other person we're introducing to you is much stronger, then it makes you know how very strong this one can be. Trying my best, so for unto which of the angels said he at any time, he's now trying to explain some things. Thou art my son, this day have I begotten thee, and again I will be to him a father, and he shall be to me a son. So he's letting us know that this word that God the Father said to his son, he never said it to any angel. So these are his descriptions of letting you to know how much stronger, more powerful Jesus is compared to angels. None of them was appointed heir of all things. None of the angels, God never said to any one of them that you are my son. So angels are not sons of God as per offspring, though the Bible once called them sons in the time of Job. Am I communicating? But we know what that means. Sonship can be used to refer to someone that is obedient to you. Am I communicating? Okay, I don't want to do too many descriptions. If not, we are going to describe this thing and not even enter into my topic today. I'm trying to avoid the temptation of too much explanation. For unto which of the angels said he at any time, thou art my son, this day have I begotten thee, and again I will be to him a father, and he shall be to me a son. Next verse. And again, when he bringeth in the first begotten into the world, he said, and let all the angels of God worship him. That's another, this should be the third step now. The third point he's bringing to show the superiority of Jesus and his ministry to that of the angels. Am I communicating? So he's not telling you that it was commanded that the angels should worship Jesus Christ. So the one that is being worshipped obviously is greater than the one worshiping him. Am I communicating? I'm feeling God here now. And of the angels, he said, who maketh. Now, he finished telling us what he said concerning the Son. Now he's telling us what he is talking about, how he refers to the angels. And of the angels, he said, who maketh his angels spirits and his ministers a flame of fire. Fire consumes anything. So he's trying to let you know the strength of these angels. Am I communicating? Go to verse 8. But unto his son he said, thy throne, O God, is forever and ever. A scepter of righteousness is the scepter of thy kingdom. I love your wisdom. Go to verse 9. I will explain that to you. Thou hast loved righteousness and hated iniquity, therefore God, even thy God, hath anointed thee with the oil of gladness above thy fellows. Verse 10. Thou, Lord, in the beginning has laid the foundation of the earth. There is no comparison here. The guy has God too clear in his describing God. So, what I want to focus on is that this one called the Son has a throne. The other ones are ministers. Are you seeing the comparison now? So, the Son is enthroned. The strength of these angels are for the rendering of services to the one on the throne. Are you with me? And thou, Lord, in the beginning has laid the foundation of the earth, and the heavens are the works of thine hands. Yes? They shall perish, but thou remainest, and they all shall wax old as doth a garment. Yes? And as a vesture shalt thou fold them up, and they shall be changed. But thou art the same, and thy years shall not fail. Still talking about Jesus. Next verse. But to which of the angels said he at any time, sit on my right hand until I make thine enemies thy footstool? The answer is none. There is none of his angels he told to sit at his right. It's his Son he told to sit at his right hand side. In verse 14, he now talked about the angels. Are they not all ministering? The word ministry means serving spirits. Spirits that serve. Sent forth to minister for them who shall be heirs of salvation. He is now making a point you must understand tonight. The Son is exalted, seated on the throne. The angels are ministering, serving spirits. The Son is on the throne. Where are you seated? Say with me, I'm a son of God. Whatever Jesus is what I am to God the Father. Where Jesus is seated is where I sit. And we have angels appointed to minister for them. Now, I want us to dwell on the phrase ministering for them. He did not say ministering to them. They are two different things. Two different things. There in heaven, the angels are ministering to the Lord. Here on earth, they are ministering for us. Two different things. The word ministering to simply means anything you say to them is what they will do, because they are God's servants. So whatever God says, they do. For you, sons of God here on earth, they were appointed, ordained by God to minister for you. What that thing simply means is this: they are not here to do everything you say. They are here to do whatever you say that is in line with the word of the one they were created to minister to. It's like this. I employed a house help, and I tell my house help, this is how I want my house to be governed. Whenever I'm away, this is what you do. And my children were left in the house help's care, and I traveled. And my children now said, auntie or whoever, allow us to go outside and play ball. And I had told her I don't want it. Will she allow them? No. Though she is assigned to help the family, her job is to minister to us, the parents, but for our children.